Hello YouTube, Dano here. Yep, I made it home with my box. I'm happy. Yeah, someone wrote something nice in there. Yep. These drawers work pretty nice. And again, they're the old style sliders, so not super fantastic. Back of that drawer is bent a bit. And he said there was a problem with the bottom drawer. Well, I kind of understand why. If you look down the end of that, it's been kind of bent up a bit. And then looking at the drawer, same thing. I'll turn it this way. You got buggered up there. And if you look down the end of it, if I guess you can get it or not. It's got a bit of a bend at the back. And if you look down this one here, there's a bit of an issue too. But these are the good old style ones. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with how these work. Someone's been removing the paint before they sprayed on it. Alright, well, in any case, with this style of slider, see that there? Now, if you just take a punch or something, give that a good press. Okay, gotta bend that in a bit. See, that's down enough. Oh, let's start with that later. This tight. So, what I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to fix that today. I am going to change the sliders out with one of these drawers because it probably doesn't have as much wear. And they're probably straight. And then I'll go from there. Straighten out the back a little bit. Get that all taken care of. Scraped all kinds of fucking crap out of the bottom. Yeah. I'm so happy with that. And I'll show you why. Now, here's why. It's probably about the same date or vintage box at the bottom, which is kind of cool. But I do have the middle box, which is a little bit older. Yeah, I do have this top box, but this is even older, and it is an American one. I don't know if you can see that or not. Herbrand, Fremont, Ohio. But yeah, I may just keep these two together because these are both older. With that and that box match, which is cool. Yeah. Oh, we'll see. Yeah, measure it up, see if they'll fit on top. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Don't forget to keep hydrated. Get some water into you. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. Herbrand. Alright. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Yeah, just stop by, say hello. Say it again. And I'll say it again too. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Later. Dano out.